Today, there is a new challenge. Mom decided that someone else should cook, our secret cook. She says we all need to learn in case of an emergency, so we got the clumsiest cook. Doesn't seem to be going good. Secret cook can't even find a fork. If you want to cook with our secret cook, get ready with the ingredients.
Ciao a tutti! Today's recipe is what we need in this day of food shortage. Cauliflower fritters. Reason 1. Few and cheap ingredients, easy to be found. Reason 2. Also people who don't like cauliflower end up liking these fritters. Reason 3. Also clumsy cooks can make them. Now we will show you. Let's start. Now I add the secret ingredient. Watch until the end and I tell you what it is. Put the herbs that you like, better if they are fresh. I like to put sage. If you agree, give me a like.
The recipe is very simple, but you need to pay attention at certain details.
Drain the cauliflower very well, or else the batter will not stick when frying. To fix it, add some flour in the batter to balance the extra moisture. Do not add cauliflower when it's hot into the batter, or else the egg will cook before frying. Today, Secret Cook has used Parmigiano, but Pecorino is more suitable for frying. When you scoop the mix into the pan, make sure the oil is at high heat. The fritters will get a crunchy coating and won't absorb excess oil. Then, lower the heat to prevent them from burning. And now repeat! The secret ingredient is yeast. It makes the fritters puffy.
Now my favorite time, eating time. Buonissime! Today these fritters are more tasty than ever because it's my secret chef that cook for me. You know who? Write me in comment below. And don't forget that every day is a sunny day in Tony's home. Ciao!
Subscribe and smash the bell button to receive updates on new Italian recipes.
What?
See you in the next episodes of Tony's Home, where every day is a sunny day.
Mi sono concentrata.